Ang daming nagtag. Kailangan ko na ng biogesic. Ano ko naman pakasalan na hindi naman nag-propose? And billions? Oh my God, billions. The only billions. Ang anino ng billions na nakita ko ay sa flood control lang. Oh my God. Billionaires. C family. Gokwe. Zubab. Buitis. Tan. Lishitay. Villar. Zaldiko. Vizcaya. Morgan. And wag mong ismulin si biogesic just because simple lang siya. Ikaw, you don't know. But ang assets nun, I know. You know? And kung makimaritas naman lang, at least get everything right. Like, everything. Ayan, namulan na. Now, mahirap na masabihin ng unreliable source or amalaya. Ayan na, effect na yung biogesic. Good night. Yeah.
Morning, guys. So, there's this issue about Mr. Cian Gaza. I'll just keep this very simple. There's no truth to anything that was said. That's it, guys. That's all I have.